Hello everyone, my name is Fiza and I'm an instructor at AI Sciences. Visualizations serve as the key to unlocking the mysteries within complex datasets. By presenting your information visually, you can make data more accessible and comprehensible. Now imagine you are trying to understand a maze of numbers and figures without a map. Well, visualizations act as that map, which will guide you through the complexities with ease. One of the most exciting aspects of data visualization is its ability to reveal hidden gems within the data. Now, visualization assists in identifying patterns, trends, and outliers, paving the way for invaluable insights. Now, it's like having a pair of special glasses that allows you to see beyond the surface, uncovering the stories that data wants to tell us. Effective communication is the cornerstone of successful data-driven decision-making. Visual representations bridge the gap between data analysis and stakeholders, which enables a clearer and more concise conveyance of findings. It's not just about the numbers anymore. It's about telling a compelling story that resonates with your audience. Stats speak louder than words, so let's talk stats. According to research by 3M Corporation, visuals are processed a staggering 60,000 times faster than text. That's a huge number, right? This statistic underscores the efficiency and immediacy that visualizations bring to data analysis. It's basically like you're unlocking a fast lane to understanding where insights are gained at an accelerated pace. In a survey by Dressler Advisory Services, a remarkable 75% of respondents declared that data visualization is essential for making quicker and more effective decisions. Now, this showcases that acknowledgement of visualizations as indispensable tools in the world of analytics. The State of Data Visualization report by Zebra BI found that interactive and engaging visuals increase the time spent on reports and dashboards by a whopping 74%. Now, this reinforces the idea that when data is not only informative but also captivating, users are more likely to delve deeper into the insights presented. In a survey conducted by the New York Times, a staggering 75% of business executives expressed a preference for data visualization over raw data when it comes to supporting decision-making. Now, this preference specifically highlights the universal appeal and effectiveness of visualizations in conveying complex information to decision makers. The impact of visualizations in Power BI extends far beyond aesthetics. It's a powerful tool for simplifying complexities, discovering insights, and enhancing communication. As we continue our journey through the world of data analytics, let's remember that a picture is worth 1,000 words. And in our case, it might be even worth more valuable because it has valuable insights and can help in informed decisions. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can check out the link in the description that will help you in mastering this domain.